let's take a moment to look at the move-in process. Move-ins are, of course, triggered at the end of the application screening process. Move-ins is a very linear process and can be broken down into 2 active stages and 2 outcomes. Each stage includes the steps of the process that must be completed before moving to the next stage. The scheduling and final prep stage includes steps such as scheduling the move-in date and inspection, sending the tenant welcome email and move-in instructions, removing the property listing and marketing signs, setting up utilities and the filter subscription, updating the property and tenant in your PM software, verifying the move-in charges have been paid, verifying you have the minimum needed keys and clickers, performing and uploading the move-in inspection, and confirming that final repairs, work orders, and cleaning have been completed. At that point, the process moves into the handoff stage. Here, you will send the self-inspection to the tenant on the move-in day, send a congrats email, notify the owner that the tenant has moved in, confirm the self-inspection has been returned, and pull the lockbox from the property. Then the process moves into the tenant moved in stage. That stage has a couple of tasks that populate at the 3 and 6 month marks to run a pet inspection and a 6-month inspection. If at any point, however, the tenant cancels, there is a tenant canceled stage, which has tasks to make a note as to why the process was canceled and to check to see if there is another tenant on the waiting list for this property. In this process, use custom date fields to have your tasks fall due relative to specific dates, such as 3 days before the move-in date or 3 days after the move-in date. And remember that this template is completely customizable to make it fit your process.